In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an area chart on Visme. Whether you're working on a presentation, infographic, or report, area charts are a fantastic way to visually represent data, especially when you're dealing with trends over time or comparative reporting. So, let's dive in and start creating. First things first, you'll want to log into your Visme account. Once you're in, you'll need to decide whether you want to open an existing project or start fresh. If you want to use an existing project, simply navigate to it and open it up. If you'd prefer a fresh start, you can either select a blank canvas or choose from Visme's wide array of templates that fit your project type and theme. Personal preference will guide this choice, and there are plenty of options to suit any need. Once you're set with your project, it's time to explore the powerful chart graph tool that Visme offers. Over on the left sidebar of the editor, you'll notice an icon that looks like a little bar chart. This is labeled either as Data or Charts and Graphs. Go ahead and click it. Once you do, Visme's chart maker will come to life, offering a suite of potential charts to choose from. Now we're getting to the good part, selecting the type of chart. Among these, you'll find area charts, perfect for our needs today. If you're not sure where to begin, consider exploring some of Visme's area chart templates. For instance, they have a comparative report area chart template that's ready-made for comparative data sets. Or maybe you want to visualize data over months. Then, the monthly sales area chart template is a great starting point for showcasing trends. These templates serve as excellent baselines that can be fine-tuned to your unique data and style. Once you have your area chart selected and set up on your canvas, a vital step awaits: entering your data. A data editor panel will appear. It looks much like a spreadsheet. Now, you can put in your data manually. Simply plug in your values for the x-axis and y-axis. Alternatively, if it's easier, you can import your data directly from an Excel spreadsheet, a CSV file, or even connect to a Google Sheet. Remember, your data structure is key. If you have multiple data series, each should occupy its own row or column for clarity and accuracy. Now that the data is in, it's time to tailor your chart's appearance. Start by selecting your chart to access the Settings tab in the Chart menu. Here, you have the creative freedom to adjust the chart's title and subtitle to make it relevant to your data set. Additionally, you can modify axis labels, choose the number formats, and position your value labels precisely where they'll be most effective. Don't forget about the legend. Its placement and appearance play a significant role in how your chart is understood. A pop of color can make all the difference. So switch up the fill colors for each data series until they visually stand out, enhancing both readability and aesthetic appeal. Lastly, adjust other stylistic elements like fonts, background colors, and grid lines to align perfectly with the overall design ethos of your project. With all these steps completed, your area chart is ready. Not only do you have an engaging visual representation of your data, but you've also honed your skills in using Visme's powerful toolset. Enjoy your newfound ability to visually communicate data with ease.